Today we will see leetcode problem 215, kth largest element in an array. First we will discuss and understand the problem statement, and then we will discuss the two approaches. First approach is an brute force approach and second approach is an optimal approach. And then we will dry run the code also and write the code also. So let's start. Let's understand the problem statement. So problem is given that find the kth largest element in an array. Okay, so here given array nums 3 2 1 5 6 and 4. We have to find this second, means kth, second largest element in this array. Okay, so here second largest is an 5, so output is 5. This is a very simple problem and easy level problem. First we will discuss the brute force approach. So here brute force approach is that we have to sort the array first. So after sorting, our array will look like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, and our k is 2. Okay, so we have to find the second largest element in this array. Okay, so what we will do, simply we will implement the while loop while k is greater than 0. While k is greater than 0, then we will implement from the last. Okay, so our ending pointer will be equal to n minus 1. So ending pointer will be here. Okay, and k is now 2. Okay, and we will store the element into the element variable. Okay, so here I will store like this, nums dot ending pointer. Okay, so in the while loop at starting k is 2, means greater than 0, so we will put this value into the element variable. Okay, and then we will decrement the k value, and then we will decrement the ending value also. Okay, now our k ending element is here and k is 1. Now k is greater than 0. Now in the element variable the number will be stored 5. Okay, at the starting the number is element is 6. Now element become 5. Okay, now again k is decremented to 0 and is come here. Okay, so now k is 0, not greater than 0. Okay, means k is not greater than 0, equal to 0. So while loop will be not implemented, and finally we will return the element which is 5, and our output is also 5. This is an brute force approach. Okay, but here time complexity is big O of log n, because we are sorting the array. Okay, big O of log n, because we are sorting the array. So this is not an optimal approach. Okay, this is a brute force approach. Now let's discuss the optimal approach. In optimal approach, we will use the heap data structure, which will hold the time complexity of big O of 1. Okay, means in the constant time. Okay, so what we will do, simply we will create an heap. I will draw like this heap. Okay, we will create a maximum heap. Okay, in the maximum heap, first we will insert all these elements into the heap. So here there will be 3 2. I will write here nums array, nums equal to 3 2 1 5 6 and 4, and our k is 2. Okay, so 3 2 1 5 6 and 4 are implemented. Okay, now what we will do, simply we will run here while loop only while k is greater than 0. And we will pop out the elements. Okay, because we are using here maximum heap, so maximum element will be popped out first. Okay, so first 6 will be out and k will be decremented at 1, and now 6 is gone. Now we will pop out the element from the heap. Now 5 is popped out. Okay, and k is decremented to 0. Now k is equal to 0, not greater than 0, so we will simply return the 5. Okay, we will here also store the 5 in element variable. Okay, what we are popping from the heap, we will store into the element variable. Okay, so this is a very simple approach. So let's go on leetcode screen and let's see the code for our approach. Okay, if you didn't understand the problem statement and the approach, then watch once again video, then you will definitely understand, and by seeing the code you will guarantee understand the problem and the approach. Okay, so let's go on leetcode screen. Let's write code for our approach. First we will take an element variable which will initialize at 0 starting, and we will take the priority queue, means heap. Okay, so here I will initialize and declare the priority queue which will hold the integer. I will name it as pq, priority queue. Okay, we are using here maximum heap, so we will reverse it. Okay, so I will use here collections dot reverse order. Okay, we will by default the heap is minimum heap, so we are reversing it to the maximum heap. Okay, so we have used a collection dot reverse order. Okay. Okay, now we will push all the elements from the array into the heap. So I will use here a for loop, for each loop. You can also use simple for loop. I am using here for each loop. So here pq dot offer num. Okay, now we will implement while loop. While k is greater than 0, then simply we have to store the element into the element variable. Okay, so element equal to pq dot poll poll. Okay, poll, sorry, directly the highest element will be popped out from the heap and stored into the element variable, and simply we will decrement k. Okay, and simply we will return the element variable. So let's compile the code. Okay, our code is successfully compiled and all test cases are run successfully. Let's submit the code. Okay, our code is also successfully submitted. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked my approach and the teaching way, then please like, share and subscribe. And this was our day 38 of 100 days of code DSA challenge. We are at the heap. Now we will move to the medium level problems. Okay, so I think that this is also a medium level problem, but I have given it marks as an easy level problem because it's a very easy problem. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to stay connected for 100 days of code DSA challenge, leetcode daily challenge, then you can subscribe and press the bell icon. So thank you guys for watching my video.